This video contains instructions on how to use the KILM 7th edition software. From the primary window in the KILM software, expand the Select Data node, then click on Country Report. The resulting form allows you to extract data for a single country from multiple tables. The extracted data is then exported to Excel or a word processing file. In order to export to an Excel workbook, you must have Excel installed on your computer. The word processing file is a rich text format, or RTF file, that is readable by most major word processors. I'll talk more about this at the end of the video. The first page of this form is a list of countries. In this list, you can quickly scroll to the country of your choice by typing the first few letters of the country name. For example, to scroll quickly to Mexico, type the letters ME. The list then scrolls down and immediately highlights Mexico. This method works with a number of lists in the KILM software. To view data from Mexico, at this point, click on it, or press the space bar or the Enter key, or click the Next button, and you'll be taken to page 2. Page 2 presents a checkbox list of all the tables containing data for the selected country. To the right of the table name is an indication of how many records there are and what years are available for the selected country. You may select any number of tables from this list. To select all tables, click the Menu button and click Select All, or right-click on the list and click Select All. To clear your current selections, right-click on the checkbox list and click Clear All, or press the Menu button and click Clear All. Like many checkbox lists in the KILM software, you can select one item, then hold down the Shift key and select another, and all of the intervening items will also be selected. Or you can select an item, hold down the Shift key and press the up or down arrows. Once you've defined your table selections, press the Next button to display page 3. The layout of page 3 can consist of year and sex lists, but may depend on the table or tables you've selected. The values for the checkbox lists are compiled from the tables and country selected. For example, labor productivity isn't disaggregated by sex, so if you select only the labor productivity table, you won't see the list for sex. Please note that you can also select just the latest year available. And please note you can press the previous button at any time to review or modify your selections. Once you've defined your query parameters on page 3, press the Next button. This will take you to page 4. On page 4, you can review the tables to be extracted and the number of records per table. On this page, you can define individual queries for each table. To do this, press the Menu button, click Advanced, and then select a table, or just double-click on a table name. You'll be taken to the Country Report Parameters window. Using this window, you can define a custom query for the selected table. Please note that a larger number of query parameters is available in this window. Click on the Menu button and then click Clear All or Select All to clear all items from every list or select all items in every list. If you click Validate, the program will display the number of records to be extracted from the query you've defined. You may right-click on any list and click Clear All or Select All to clear or select all selections from that list. Click the Save button to save your custom query. Once you've created a custom query for a table, a checkbox will be displayed to the left of the table name when you return to the main Country Report window. To delete a custom query, open the Country Report Parameters window again and click the Delete button. This will delete your custom query for the selected table. Once you're satisfied with your query, click the Next button. A small window will appear. Click Print to export to a word processing file, or Excel to export to Excel. In either case, a file will be created and opened. When you create an Excel file, the software compiles the data, opens the Excel application installed on your computer in the background, creates a series of spreadsheets, and then makes the application visible. The software does not save this file. If you want to retain this file, you'll need to save it before closing Excel. I will discard this file. When you select Print from page 4 of the Country Report window, you will create an RTF file. This RTF file will automatically open with the word processing program associated with RTF files in the list of registered file types on your computer. A word of caution: if RTF files are associated with WordPad on your computer, please be aware that WordPad may not display or print the document accurately. If this is the case on your computer, I'd suggest you edit your registered file types and associate RTF files with a more advanced word processor such as Microsoft Word. This RTF file is created with a randomly generated file name and saved in a folder storing temporary files. When the KILM software closes, it will try to delete this file, so you'll need to save the file in another folder or with another name.